Elsa. And I'm 4 years old. I love Twilight.
All right, welcome back to the big commercial. And now, please welcome the stars of the Twilight Saga New Moon, Robert Pattinson, Kristen Stewart, and Taylor Lautner!
Go sit down.
As a way of thanking our fans for supporting the first Twilight Zone, we want to show you an exclusive look at the first trailer to New Moon.
So get your TiVos ready, because you're going to want to watch this more than once. Here it is, a sneak preview of the Twilight Saga New Moon.